I wanna show you how to add zoom in on part of a clip in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, select your video frame. Double click of the mouse on the desktop and you will see the small blue circle will appear. This is your anchor point. Drag it to the point where you want that your zoom effect will happen. Then go to Effects Control and switch the scale on. The first icon will appear. This is your starting point. Then move your timeline slider to the end of the video. Increase that zoom as much as you want. You can also decide the last of the transition, moving the frame. Perfect guys, everything is ready. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.